Once upon a time, in a kitchen not too far away, there lived a pot that was tired of cooking boring meals. One day it whispered, "Give me palm oil and I will show you magic." And just like that, the adventure began. I grabbed the red gold palm oil, poured it in, and the sizzle was like music. The onions danced, the spices sang, and the rice sucked it up like a secret recipe passed down from foodie ancestors. This isn't just any rice, it's comfort in a spoon, a celebration in a plate. It's the dishes that make your neighbors peep through their windows and ask, "What's cooking?" Are you shocked? If you have watched this video to this extent and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this page, give us a like, drop your nice comments, and don't forget subscribing is free. Understand? And if you have not tried cooking palm oil rice in your home, please do try it. It's a mind-blowing cooking food that saves you from all stress. You can cook it anyhow you wish. Let it be that it's a palm oil rice. And in this holiday, guys, you must like to prepare it for your kids. Have your kids tested it? Because as you can see, this is our lunch for today. Get it? Can you see the outcome of it? Would you like to test it? Come on, don't forget, it's your mama, your girl, Adachus that is talking. So see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.